Guys, welcome back to my Walgreen weekly video. All you need for the deals I did in this video is just your phone. Thanks for joining me once again, and if this is your first time here, welcome and thanks for joining us. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share the video, and let's go grab some deals. The first deal I'll be picking up in this transaction will be some Crest toothpaste. They're on sale for $4 this week, and they're on the deal of buy 2 or more Crest or Oral-B products, you get $3 register reward back. And I'll be picking up 2, and 2 of them is going to come up to $8. But I'll be doing this deal a little different. I'll be grabbing one of the Scope mouthwash, the 500 ml, also on sale for $4. The total for all 3 items will be $12. And I'm adding the Scope mouthwash because when I scan these products, it says at the bottom that there is an addition peg that will be applying to it. And the peg will be when you buy 3 or more select Crest or Oral-B items, you earn $5 Walgreen cash. I have a 3 off 2 Crest coupon in our app that is attaching to all 3 of them. That will drop it down to $9. I will pay that and get $3 register reward back, and also a $5 Walgreen cash back, making all 3 of them just $1 or 33 cents each. I'll be adding one more deal to this transaction. Next deal I'll be picking up will be when you buy 4 or more participating Bounce, Downy, Gain or Tide products, you get $5 register reward. And I'll be picking up 2 of the Gain Flings on sale for $5.49 each. And I have 2 coupons attaching to them. One is $1.50 and the second one is $1. And I'll also pick up a Tide liquid on sale for $5.49, and I have a $2 attaching to it. And a Tide pod also on sale for $5.49. All 4 items are going to come up to $21.96, and after all the coupons I mentioned, it's going to drop it down to $15.96, and I'll get $5 register reward back, making all 4 items $10.96 or $2.74 each. These are all the items I'll be picking up in this transaction, and I plan on using $10 Walgreen cash, and I'll pay the rest out of pocket. Let me go check out and I'll be back with my receipt. This transaction went very well. The 3 off 2 Crest digital coupon came off, and also the $2 for the Tide came off as well. And for the Tide pod, it took off $1.50. And for the first Gain Fling, another $1.50 came off. And the last one, $1 came off. I ended up using $10 Walgreen cash, paid $15.96 out of pocket plus tax. And I got back the $3 for the Crest and a $5 Walgreen cash for the buy 3 plus Crest product. And I got back my $5 register reward for buying 4 of the P&G products. If I add this deal together, these 7 items ended up costing me $11.96 or $1.71 each. I know this is a small haul, but I hope you enjoyed it, and thanks for watching. I will see you all next time. Bye. And these are the leftover from the 90% of summer items.